BE40 amplifiers signify the next level in audio enhancement, with higher quality, richer listening, and are showcased in a sleek black design that will turn every audio installation into an eye-catching showcase. A built-in bass enhancer allows you to dial in the perfect bass performance by setting the width and sweep on the amplifier's top-mounted control panel. This allows you to fine-tune the frequency range and bass level output to your desired listening taste. The included dual concentric bass knob gives you the ability to adjust these settings via your driver's seat. All BE40 amplifiers also include an electronic EQ, and this will allow you to control the amplifier output with an onboard electronic crossover to tailor specific frequencies to speakers and subwoofers. All BE40 amplifiers have full RGB lighting. An RGB color selector on the amplifier's end panel controls the logo, end panels, and side panels LEDs. Demand more from your audio. BE40 amplifiers. Bring out the best of music.